So figured I would show you guys a little grocery haul because this is what we got for the week. So I'll start over here. So I get these blueberry muffins for my daughter. So the blueberry ones and then the chocolate chip. Also breakfast items for my girls would be these yogurts, also a nice snack. We also get these granola bars, the oatmeal raisin, and then chocolate chip. Tonight, let's see. And then a bunch of other like snacks because yes, we are just a snack family. Okay, so Goldfish, Little Debbie, Nutty Buddy. We also have over here Little Debbie snacks, all kinds of chips, a Lunchable, obviously milk for the baby. She's a toddler, she's 2. Lunch meat for sandwiches. I got 3 salmon fillets. We are gonna do salmon and rice tonight. Tomorrow we are going to be doing a Mississippi roast. So if you guys don't know, Mississippi roast is obviously like a chuck roast, and then a jar of these banana peppers with au jus and ranch, which I also got here. So that will be tomorrow. Oh, and then I got French bread to go with that. Let's see, so today's Monday, so tonight we'll do salmon, tomorrow we'll do the Mississippi roast. Wednesday we're gonna do tacos, so I got some ground beef for that, let's see, yeah, ground beef for that. And then I got, oh, and then let's see, so that's Wednesday. So then Thursday we'll do chicken, and then Friday we have a pizza in the freezer, so we'll do that. So other things I got for snacks and sides, cottage cheese for my daughters. They love that. I get Greek yogurt. Obviously Lunchables for the girls. And then I really like these smoked salmon for like a quick, since I work from home, it's like a nice quick easy lunch, on salted butter. I also got this, hopefully it focuses. It is a salmon smoked maple strip. These are so good. 7 grams of protein, so we love that. Let's see, here's another Lunchable. Raspberries. We already have blueberries in the fridge. We just got obviously some cheese. I got some basil, tomato, and onion here because I'm going to make my own pasta, or excuse me, my own like spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce, and then I'll eat it with that rigatoni. More Lunchables, and then we always have lemons and limes on hand, avocado as well. So this was about $200, and I got it delivered, so that's including delivery. So yeah, that is going to be a little grocery haul for the week. Okay, so I am currently in our bathroom, in our main bathroom upstairs, and I just wanted to show you a couple of updates that we did. So if you've been watching my vlogs, you know that we have been wanting to upgrade just a couple of things in our bathroom, but mostly the shower curtain in this bathroom was just a big pain point, and we really wanted to replace it with a shower door. So let me show you what we did. Over the weekend, we went ahead and installed this, and Look at how beautiful it looks. I'm obsessed. It looks so much better. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you know or remember what it looked like in before, I'll go ahead and insert a picture. It was terrible with the actual shower curtain. I don't know if it's because we have this lip down here or what, but water was just constantly getting everywhere. And one of the home improvement projects that I wanted to do in this house was install a shower door. So luckily we were able to do that over the weekend, and it just looks so much better. It's so nice. It just makes it feel bigger and just a clean look. I don't know, it looks so good. And then I did a couple of other updates. So the color that we got, I will link this specific shower door below. We installed it ourselves. It was a little bit of a pain, but we did it ourselves, so you don't have to like pay a bunch of money to have somebody else do it. We just watched a bunch of YouTube videos, but this is the oil rubbed bronze that we got. So I want to go ahead and get a new towel bar that is in that oil rubbed bronze color. Eventually, I don't know, I've been going back and forth on a couple on Amazon. And then we do want to also replace the shower head up here, as well as the whatever to turn on the shower. So that also matches. It would just make it look a little bit better, but I mean, obviously it still looks really good. I updated the little lamp right here. I got that little lamp from Target. It's just nice to have that for like, you know, if you wake up in the middle of the night and you have to go to the bathroom, you can turn that on. I got this rug from West Elm, I believe, and then cleaned up the bathroom, the actual countertops. But I also, if you guys know, I went ahead and bought another one of the, this is the antique towel holder from Amazon, and then I just put a little candle up top because I just love it so much. And then you guys know we got the new towels. I'll link those. Those are from Amazon. And then also this little wallflower. I'm new to the Bath & Body Works wallflowers, and let me just say, if you have not got on board with that yet, get on board with it because they make our house smell absolutely amazing. I wish I would have known about this sooner. So, and they're cute. It's like, it's cute, it's aesthetic. So yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit of the bathroom. This is what it looks like with the light off. And yeah, I don't know, it's just such a vibe. I just love it. I really love decorating, you guys. My fave. So cute. Right there. Okay. Sorry about the angle, sorry about the lighting. I got this from Amazon because if you guys have been watching and you know, I started my cleaning business back up. And so like obviously I like to be as efficient as possible, and I like trying out new cleaning products to see like what works and what doesn't, and see like what my clients like and everything. So this I got from Amazon. It was like on the pricier side, maybe like $50 or like $55, I don't know, but I thought it would be worth it. Now that I have a new shower situation, as you guys saw in the last clips, I just want, like, it's really motivating, especially because it's a glass shower door. It's really motivating for me now to keep my shower like extra clean. So I got this, and I thought this is like nice for I mean, it doesn't like, it's just nice for everybody, but it's nice because it says no bending, no hard work. Like, I don't know. So we're gonna try it. Okay, that's what I'm getting at. So let me open this. There's a USB charging port. It says it's great for tile, tubs, grout, glass, corners, the kitchen, and more. It includes like all of these things: the tornado scrub, a circular disc brush, semicircular brush, a pointed brush, all of these things. And just a side note, I'm going through some stuff right now, so sorry. The posting schedule hasn't been what I would like for it to be lately, so my apologies. That's just what happens sometimes, so I will explain more later, probably. Okay. Okay. Cool. So, it comes with all of the stuff. All of the things, all of the stuff. So, it comes with like all of these different attachments. Like this is like a scrubber. Super cool. It has all of these different attachments. Pretty easy to get off and on, but there's, gosh, there's like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 of them. This is nice. Cool, 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 cool. Pretty easy to put together. And oh, nice. Came charged. That's good. Well, we'll see how long it lasts, but I am gonna go and give this a shot in the bathroom really quick. I will have this linked below. Like I said, I got it from Amazon. It was like around 50 bucks, but pretty good. I mean, obviously for like older people, because it does have this like extension handle on it. But like if you have a cleaning business, if you're a cleaner, honestly, literally anybody, like I can already tell this is going to be good. Okay, so right now our shower, it doesn't actually look that bad because before we put the door in, we did clean it, so it doesn't look terrible, but like down here, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but there's obviously like soap scum and whatever that like builds up at the bottom of the shower. So okay, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this cleaner on here, like where it's just kind of like darker. Okay. Okay, that made a huge difference. If you want to apply like firmer pressure, you can. And yeah, I feel like it will just be really nice, especially for the shower or like my girls' tub. It will be really nice. But then it, like I said, it comes with all of these like other little attachment things. I don't know, I think that this is gonna be a good one because we had just, like I said, not a lot of soap scum on the bottom of our shower, but we definitely did have some, but it like completely took it all away, and it wasn't even like, I didn't even have to like push that hard. I didn't have to like, I literally barely had to like scrub. So I don't know, I think that's a good one. So like I said, I'll link it below. Definitely check it out. And yeah, I think that is going to be it for today's video. I know it was kind of really random and all over the place with the grocery haul and then the shower and then this cleaning product, but I really wanted to share all of those things with you guys, especially the shower, because I'm so pumped that it's finally done. I've been wanting that for 4 years, so I'm so happy it's done. And yeah, and then I really like this new cleaning product I got. So if there are other cleaning products that you recommend that you have, drop me a comment, let me know. Or if there are any other ones that you want me to review, leave me a comment, let me know. I'll buy it, I'll use it, and I'll review it. So If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.